Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing this personal air conditioner called Fresh Air. I just got it from the mail 2 days ago and it came in this nice little box. Okay, so it's actually looks like a wood box, right? And I'm gonna be opening this for you guys so you can see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box right here. Cool. Comes with manual. Looks like German, French, English, Spanish, and looks like Italian. Okay, so comes with manual. USB cable right here. So apparently you can power it using a computer or AC outlets. So you can use right here. Okay, so let's unpack it. So it comes protected right here. So I'll take this box. And it looks like very small. So of course it's a personal air conditioner right here. Okay. And it does look like small. Let's see the measurements in centimeters. So it's 14 centimeters by 16 by 16 centimeters. Okay, that's what it looks like, this Fresh Air. So it has like some instructions here as well, and there is a panel here. I'm not gonna touch it right now. I'm gonna read the manual and I'm gonna come back to you in a few minutes, okay? Okay, so it seems very straightforward to use the Fresh Air. So basically what the manual says is to place the air cooler on a flat surface, open the tank door and add water, plug into a USB port or power bank to turn it on, press the fan button to select the fan speed. Okay, so I took a look here. So here there is, in this front space, there is the filter. Okay, so you can see the filter. So you place right here, close. Right here, there is space to put water. The capacity is 500 milliliters of water. And here, so it's the power supply. So you plug the power cord right here. So I'm gonna actually plug it. Okay, right here. Perfect. I'm gonna connect to my computer. That's right here on the side. The computer is on. Okay. Okay. So let me close it. Add water. So I have some water here. Okay, perfect. Okay, a little bit more. There's a max spot right here. Okay, close. And I guess the power is right here. Ooh, very good. Wow. It's a very tiny little thing, but you guys cannot see, but it's actually cold air right here. Okay, so let me put right here. So this is the fan speed. Okay, that was in the max speed, lower speed, and here is the minimum speed right here. If I turn one more time, it shuts down. Turn on. Very good. Okay. Right here. Okay. Here, what the manual says is that's the human body presence sensor. So apparently, when you press this button right here, it will automatically turns off. So apparently, when you turn on this button right here, it will automatically shuts down when there is nobody close to the air conditioner. So that's a nice feature. And here, it's the lights button. Apparently, let's see. Okay. Is the light coming out? So it's blue. I cannot see here. Okay. Okay. So let me push it down here. Okay. So you can see blue, not too blue, and off. So it works as a small lamp, so you can use it at night or to not be too dark the room or something like this. That's actually very cool. What else? Yeah, it is cold air. It is cold air. I don't have a thermometer to measure the air temperature, but it's actually very, very fresh, and it's in the minimum. Turn off. Right here. Here is in the max. Wow. That's actually very, very cool. So let me try to get here in front of it so you can see. 1 second. So this is the front of the fresh air side. So this is the front of the fresh air, the side right here, and the other side, and right here, it's the back. That's how it works. Wow, that's gonna be very interesting to use this small device on a very, 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 very hot day. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy your fresh air.